Hello coders, in this particular Excel tutorial I will be showing you how to find out the most occurring value in a range of cell and to apply some color formatting to it. So see, already I have some data sets in it and there are some random numbers which are being present in some cells. Now my goal is to find out the most occurring number in this range of cell. To achieve this particular task, we can use an Excel inbuilt function named mode. So this is how it works. Equal to, so Excel function begins with an equal to sign followed by the name of the function, then press tab from the keyboard and select the range of the cell from where you want to find the most occurring value from that range of cell. Close the braces and press enter. It's 11. So this 11 has occurred in this particular range of cell how many times? We can again select this range of cell and press Ctrl F from the keyboard. So find what? 11, find all. After that press Ctrl A. In the status bar, notice here in the status bar in here, wherever I am moving my cursor, it is showing count is 28. Now close this dialog box and you can now simply apply a cell style. So maybe the cell style will be red. So that's 11 is the most occurring number in this range of cells. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Happy coding guys, and see you all again for some next Excel tips and tricks. Thank you guys.